Welcome to Tell Me More, the audiobook show where we squeeze an entire book into a 5-minute smoothie of wisdom, wit, and just a dash of sarcasm. Because who has time to read when your attention span is shorter than a TikTok dance? Whether it's self help, sci fi, or that one classic you pretended to read in school, we break it down, shake it up, and serve it to you with zero spoilers and plenty of sass. Think of us as your book club's cooler, more rebellious cousin, the one who skimmed the book, made a meme about it, and still had the hottest take. And hey, if you're enjoying this chaos disguised as culture, smash that follow button on all the socials. We are talking about Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, MySpace. Okay, not MySpace, but tell me more everywhere else. Follow us or risk some like you have never heard of that book. Now, buckle up, Brainiac. Your 5-minute literary roller coaster is about to begin. This is Tell Me More.
Welcome to the Feel Good Productivity by Ali Abdal, the guide to getting more done by doing more of what makes you happy. Over the next 5 minutes, we will explore the mindset shifts, daily habits, and practical framework that transforms your productivity from a grind to a source of joy. Chapter 1: The Joy First Mindset. Productivity isn't about squeezing every last drop of output. It is about consciously choosing tasks that align with your values and energy. Abdal invites us to flip the script. Start with what makes you feel good, then build your day around those pursuits. When pleasure leads, purpose follows. Chapter 2: The Four Forces of Feel Good Productivity. At the heart of this system lie four forces that fuel sustainable momentum. Number 1: Mastery. Cultivate deliberate practice. Carve out focused time to hone the skill that matters the most, whether it's writing, coding, or public speaking. 2. Consciousness. Pause to reflect. Regular check ins keep you aligned with your goals and guard against drifting into autopilot. Number 3. Energy. Treat your body and mind as the engines of productivity. Prioritize sleep, movement, and proper nutrition so you can show up at your best. Number 4. Systems. Automate what you can. Habit trackers, task managers, and routines become your scaffolding, freeing mental bandwidth for creativity and flow. Chapter 3: Designing Your Ideal Week. Abdal's signature weekly time gasket maps every hour of your block out non-negotiable meals, exercise, family time first. Then fill in high leverages tasks during your personal peak hours. The result? A balanced schedule that feels spacious, not suffocating. Chapter 4: Atomic Habits Feel Good Style. Tiny actions compound. Commit to just 5 minutes of a new habit. Writing a paragraph, reading a chapter, practicing a riff on a guitar. Celebrate that micro win. The dopamine hit not only reinforces momentum but also makes the process itself gratifying. Start small, feel good, and then build up. Chapter 5: The Power of Theme Days. Rather than a laundry list, assign a theme to each day. Content creation Monday, Learning Tuesday, Social Wednesday. Theme days sharpen focus, minimize decision fatigue, and let you immerse in deep work without hopping between unrelated tasks. Chapter 6: Tech, Tools, and Boundaries. Use apps like Notions or Todoist to capture ideas and track progress, but set strict boundaries. Turn off non-essential notifications, schedule digital sunset, windows where screens are in rest, and real-world connections flourish. Chapter 7: Reflection and Iteration. At week's end, review what felt energizing and what drained you. Adjust your next week's gasket accordingly. Over time, the cycle of reflection and adaptation crafts a personalized feel good productivity engine, one that evolves with feel good productivity teaches us that fulfillment and efficiency are not opponents. When we prioritize vitality, joy, and aligned action, productivity becomes a celebration of what we love, one intentional step at a time. Do more of what makes you feel alive. Thank you for joining this 5 minutes journey through Ali Abdal's Feel Good Productivity. May your days be both fruitful and joyous.
And that, my friends, was your 5-minute crash course in literary greatness. You just became 37% smarter without even cracking a spine. You're welcome. If your brain enjoyed that snack size story time, imagine what it's like being subscribed to. Tell me more. You will never need to lie about reading again. Follow us everywhere: TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. Heck, if you see a pigeon flying with a QR code, that's probably us too. It is at Tell Me More on all the socials. Because we are modern, mildly unhinged, and fully committed to making you sound way smarter than you actually are. So, subscribe or be doomed to nod silently at book club forever. This has been Tell Me More, where books meet brevity and attention spans come to thrive. Until next time, go pretend you read it.